Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been away for months. Jumping back in where you left off can be like super dangerous. Don't even try so. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually restart a training plan in Runna app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So when you actually restart, if you have missed more than 4 weeks of training, your fitness level has likely changed. So Runna will show a plan realignment pop-up with options. You restart options, the safest options are basically go through the app, open it, basically your full device being fully connected to the internet is a must. Go and look for start a new plan. So tap on plan, get started and start a new plan. Select your goal, for example, a general training. Based on your goal, we recommend run faster plan. Run to maintain plan, run further plan, train your way plan. For example, we're gonna go with faster, select plan. No hill workouts as part of your training, some hill workouts as part of your training, it depends on you. Tap on continue, go to beginner here, then tap on continue also, and keep going. They're gonna ask you what's your estimated current race time. You can select for 5k, 10k, half marathon, then select the timer. After doing all of this, like rebuilding the whole plan with current end date, it regenerates the workouts from today to target your original race date. So the risky option is you can choose continue your plan and change, but this increases the injury risk. The workouts have progressed beyond your current fitness, so listen to your body and choose the safer path. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.